Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. It is early in the morning, as you can probably see by my face, if you can get past those sun rays there. So I have something to confess. I have not been videoing, vlogging, documenting, if you will, for the 2 weeks that I had to get footage. It's just been so busy here at the camp. We've had, camps every week, all week long, 1 day off in between. So, yeah, I'm gonna try and fit in just one day in my vlog this week. We got a lot of rain yesterday and last night. It rained a lot. So with that in mind, I figured it'd be pretty cool to go out and look for some waterfalls. Usually after the rain, the water's pretty rough and wild, so I'm gonna try and go someplace local. I don't feel like driving a whole lot today. Our car needs new tires, and so hopefully we can find something. But first things first, we need to go get some coffee at mine and Britt's favorite coffee shop in town. There it is. Let's go. Okay, so quick pit stop. We are getting some food. Full rack of ribs. Those ribs were delicious.
That steak was fantastic.
Now we are en route to Gold & Silver Falls. Look at the symmetry. Look at those trees. Yeah. Okay, so we have just arrived. The trail looks like it's closed, so we might have to walk a little more than we expected to. First things first though, we have to change a diaper. Double team. Happy baby, happy family.
When you're out, tell your lucky one to know to leave. Don't you like when you flee?
So originally, I wanted to go to Tokenie Falls. It's a really cool place, in the southern part of Oregon, but it's over 3 hours, like a 3.5 hour drive, and we had to get the tires replaced on the car, which took a long time, and we have to work tomorrow. Instead, we had to come here, Gold & Silver Falls. It's not my favorite, but it still beats any waterfall back east, that's for sure. My posse, Karis, will be back in vlog 3, my intro vlog. Britt, you met her early on, and I still haven't done a vlog on Ezra yet. Maybe I'll do that next time, maybe not. We're about to turn the corner to see the falls. It doesn't really sound like a whole lot of water is moving. Actually sounds like a little trickle. I can see it right now and it sucks. Still, pretty cool area. Glad I came. Better than sitting around inside. Well, I definitely thought the rain was going to bring more water than this. Pretty disappointed, but oh well. It's still cool, right? So this is Golden Falls. A disappointing day, but still fun. Okay, well, we're on our way back to the vehicle, to the car. Heading back to Bandon, about an hour and a half away. Not a very good waterfall day, that's for sure. Okay, so we are back to the car. Actually, we're back in Coos Bay. We got ourselves a pizza and we are going home. It's a cold, rainy day. I got my Sprite.